Hello viewers, welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are having a collaboration with one of our YouTube subscribers, Abena's Kitchen. We will be doing fish kebab to go with jollof spaghetti made by Abena's Kitchen. So do check out her channel for the recipe. These are the ingredients for preparing the fish kebab. I've got two types of fish here. This is salmon. I've got my salmon fish all cleaned here, and I have my just a whole fish here. You just have to make sure you choose a fish that has less bone. So this is the fish that I've chosen. I normally use croaker, but today I didn't get croaker from the fish shop or the fish market. So I just bought this nice fish, even though I don't know the name. It's very fresh and less bone. So I'm going to start now. Peri peri seasoning. I love my peri peri seasoning. So it's going to be fish peri peri kebab. I've got my chopped vegetables here, mixed pepper, onion, my half lemon, and of course my Onga shrimp seasoning. My Chinese 5 spice, which you can get from any supermarket. My ground black pepper and my oil. And this is the mist. This is what the seasoning I'm going to use for my kebab. I use some of the peri peri powder with a bit of my Onga magie cube. I crush it in, mixed with a bit of my Chinese 5 spice and the black pepper. That's what I mix in a small bowl to get my seasoning for the fish kebab. So all these three ingredients, I combine them together here to make it tasty, seasoned with my Onga Maggi tablet. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start with the salmon fish. Put it on my chopping board. I always use lemon for my fish dishes. I'm going to take the skin out and also the bone. As you can see, there is only a small bone in the middle. So I'm going to have this with a sharp knife. You can do it with the skin on, or you can take the skin off it. You can see this is salmon. So after taking the bone out, you just pass your sharp knife underneath the fish to get the skin out. Okay, this is my skin here, and this is the salmon. I'm going to do the same thing to the other part of the fish, the other half. Then you take the skin off. Just like that. Okay, with the kebab, I'm not going to cube it. I'm just going to kind of slice it so that I can go on the skewer. Just slice it. So this is my salmon all sliced up. I put it in a clean bowl, and then I just squeeze a bit of the lemon juice onto it, like that. And then I'll use my peri peri, my mixed spices. This is my peri peri seasoning, and then 2 teaspoonfuls of my vegetable cooking oil. Add a bit more, and then you mix it with your hand. It's got all the seasoning, the Maggi, the peri peri seasoning, ground black pepper, and my Chinese 5 spice. add a bit more of the seasoning. What I'm going to do is to put my skewer is already cleaned. It's been washed and dry. You can use your metal skewers or your wooden one. I'm using my wooden one. This is what I do. Put the mixed vegetables and my onion, and then another one. You make sure you put it lengthwise so you get the size you wanted. And then my mixed pepper. And here we are. This is my uncooked fish kebab on the skewer, so I'm not going to put it under my grill. I'm using oven grill. You can also do it on your barbecue. Take just about 10 to 15 minutes, you know, fish. Here is my salmon peri peri fish kebab. The other side is cooked, so I'm just turning it over for the other side to cook. Whilst we are cooking it, you know the peri peri mixture that we made, I'm going to add a bit more of cooking oil. In order for your kebab not to go so dry, just add a bit of oil to the remaining of my peri peri seasoning. I'm going to brush it over. Just going to brush my kebab with the remaining seasoning, which I add some oil to. Kebab is ready. You see, because I've been brushing it with the oil, it's not too dry. It's ready, so I'm just going to serve it now with my jollof. You're going to check out on Abena's kitchen on YouTube. So this is my lovely salmon peri peri kebab, and I'm serving it with jollof rice. Enjoy. You can garnish it with your slice of lemon. Okay, now this is my whole fish, which I'm going to debone. Peri peri fish kebab. So when you are deboning your fish, you use sharp knife and you start from the tail side. You press it down to the bone with your hand on it, and then you slice the meat off the bone. With the salmon, I took the skin off, but with this one, I'm doing it with the skin on. To slice it so I can cook through quickly. So this is my fish that I sliced. As usual, I'm going to add my 2 teaspoonfuls of my sunflower or vegetable cooking oil, and my peri peri seasoning, which contain magie cube or Onga seasoning already. So I'm seasoning it. See, I did not put it this way, I put it lengthwise like that. Put the skewer through. And then my onion, and my mixed pepper. This is my fish with the skin on, my peri peri fish kebab, which I'm going to cook in the grill, under the grill. You can cook it over the grill in your garden and have it at its own or with your meal. Always remember to brush your fish kebab with the peri peri seasoning and oil. You keep it moist using your brush. Now the fish peri peri kebab is ready. It's served. Remember, this is the fish with the skin on, but it's always good to use the salmon. With the salmon, you are sure that there is no bone in it, but with this one, so you have to be very careful. Because here we go. Enjoy. Our peri peri fish kebab is ready. Migabo ya,